Hello, welcome to Arty Makes. I'm going to show you how you can use this square paper, simple square paper, to make some pixel art. I've actually got this out of a maths book, and behind it I have put some scrap paper. I will explain why very soon. It will all become apparent. Right, I'm going to show you how you can create a circle from pixels, and I'm going to start by making myself a little box, and I'm going to have my box 16 squares across and 16 squares down. So it'll be quite a traditional sort of size pixel piece of art. Or does that make sense? I hope so. Anyway, so starting there, I'm going to start there and I'm going to count along 16 squares. So if you've got some squared paper, you can do this as well. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so there's my 16 across. Now I'm going to count 16 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 down. This is going to be much easier because I can actually see that that's where I'm going to end. So I can use my ruler to just draw across there like that. And I can do another line down like that. So I now have a piece of a canvas, shall we say, where I'm going to do my bit of pixel art. Now, I always think it's a good idea to find the middle points along the sides here like this. So half of 16 is 8, so we just need to count in 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to put a point there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, I can just transfer those points across there like that. Okay, so I am now ready to start. I'm going to be brave. I'm going to ditch my pencil and I'm going to go straight in with a pen. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how you can create a circle from these squares, and having that midpoint marked is going to be really important. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start on this top bit, then we're going to colour in this first square there and do the same on the other side like that. We're then going to move out another one. So we've done 2 squares from the middle. So we're going to do 2 squares from that midpoint too. Okay, and we're going to actually do the same over here too. So now I'm going to start curving round. So I'm going to colour in these 2 squares like that. And do the same on the other side because we are doing a very symmetrical shape. So just like that. So we've stepped down. We need to step down another one here. And another here. Like this. Now that's the pattern we're going to repeat on this side and on the bottom, and you'll see that they all meet up. So all you need to remember to do is 2 out from the middle point and 2 out from the middle point, like that. Colour that in. I think my pen's about to run out. I think I'm going to have to get another pen in a moment. Then I'm going to do my 2 here like this and 2 here like this, and then 1 square. So you can see we've got the start of a circle. I'm going to see if I can find another black pen, because that is running out. Back in a moment.
A few moments later.
Okay, back with another one. And I'm going to start at the bottom here, and I'm going to count out 2 there. Oh, that's a better pen. And 2 there, like that. Oh, that pen's much, much better. Then I'm doing my 2-step on one side and then on the other, like that. And once again here with the 1 square. Now I'm trying to make this so you can follow along, but if I was doing this not on camera, I probably would be kind of like twisting my paper around, but I don't want to do that because I think that would just be confusing for you when you're watching. So 2 on that side and 2 on that side, and then I'm very nearly done. And 1 over here. And 1 there. Okay, so I've got my basic circle now, and I can turn this into lots of different things. I've got some examples to show you. I could turn this into an emoji. I've actually got 2 emojis to show you here, which I've used a black outline for, but I could also go straight in with the yellow and not have that black outline if I knew what I was doing and I was planning to do. Now, like that. So I've done my yellow there, and I do have a tear shape there. So once you've got confident with making those circles, you can sort of break out and break the rules there and actually change things up. So you can do sort of emojis from a basic circle. I've also had a go at doing some fruit. This is an orange, which I started with a circle, and I've even got, that's supposed to be a watermelon. And my intention was to sort of show part of the watermelon. And again, I haven't got a black outline on that. But you could also do loads of other circular things, other emoji expressions, other pieces of fruit. Maybe you could even do an earth or something. I'm not going to do any of those things. I'm going to do a Pokeball from a Pokeball. So let's have a go at doing this. So I'm going to start from this side and go in, and I'm going to do that midpoint where it opens up. So I'm going to count down from here. I'm just going to count 1 square in like that, and I'm going to colour that in. And this is going to be my midpoint. And I'm actually going to count another one. So that's 2 and then 3. So I now have started my ball. From here, I'm going to give the illusion that it's round. So not only have I got it round on the outside, I want to try and make it look 3D. So if I step this down, because I don't want to go straight across the middle, I think that would look rather dull. So if I step it down here, like that, and then in 1 more here, like this, and then I'm going to step down there, like that. So I've tried to give the illusion that it's coming round and down. And I'm going to step in 2 squares, like that. I'm not really stepping in now, am I? I'm just kind of colouring in across. And then I'm going to do 1 more, but this time I'm going to go up 3 squares. So if you're following along, if you need to, you can always pause if you want to just catch up with where I am. Okay, so this is going to be sort of my button, if you like, to go in the middle there. And I'm going to do 3, because I've got 3 here. 3 going down, I'm going to go 3 across there like that. Now, if you wanted to, you could use a ruler to get your squares really, really straight, you know, the lines. I think maybe I should have done that, but I don't think it would have been very clear if I'd done that for you guys. Okay, now I'm going to do the bottom part of the button, like that. Oop, just gone over the line a little bit, that's a bit messy. Sorry about that. Okay, and then 3 down there. I think you can see what I've been trying to do now, can't you? So I've got that midpoint there. Next, I'm going to go across 2, so I actually join up with this edge, like this, and then so it joins up right into the corner and still giving that illusion of a 3D shape. I'm joining it up there. Okay, so I've done that. Now I need to put some colour on this. So I'm going for the traditional red. Now, most of this top bit is going to be red, but I want to have a bit of a highlight on it. So I'm going to leave some white squares. So I'm actually going to show where I'm going to put the red. So I'm just stepping up like this, like I'm going up the stairs. Like that, and I think, so I'm going to leave that part white, and all the rest I'm going to colour in this lovely scarlet red, like that. So this might, I don't want to do it too scruffily, but I also am aware that you are watching this. Maybe if you're colouring along with me, it might not be so tedious watching this. Okay, so I'm not having to count any squares now because I know that all of this section is red. And I do quite like how the this point here, this circular point, or it's actually a square, but it looks kind of circular because of the way that I've designed it. I like how that's sort of not straight in the middle there. Straight in the middle, is that right? Slap bang in the middle, probably better. Okay, nearly done. There we go. Okay, so there's the red. This bit and this bit are mostly white, but I am going to use a little bit of grey just because I think it will give a bit more to that sort of 3D illusion that I want to create. So this just gives it a bit of shadow. So if I do another 3 squares over here in the grey, 2 here, so it looks like it's underneath a little bit. There's a bit of shading. And then I think I am done. So I created this little pixel Pokeball with these 3 colours and some squared paper. I can take this out now. You can see why I used it, can't you? Because that would have gone on my lovely blue paper. So there I have a circular Pokeball. I have my emojis as well. Hopefully you can see those like that. And I've also got some fruit, all created from making a circle out of pixels. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you have a go. All you need, like I said, is some squared paper, pencils and pen. Thanks so much for watching. Please give me a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel. Take care now. Bye bye.